Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to create a Elastic Pool SQL database. So in previous video I have briefly explained what the Elastic Pool SQL database is and what are the benefits and like what are the things we can set up from it. So you have to simply basically we have to simply create it here. Basically you have to simply go to the marketplace. Here we am going. You have to check the search for the SQL database. So here we go. We want to select this and click on the create button, and first of all we have to select the subscription. Then we have to select the database name. Database name will be like SQL database base server dash we can set it to Elastic Pool here. So then we have to create a new server name, SQL database dash Elastic Pool, and we have to deploy it in the Canada region, so Canada East. Then we have to use SQL authentication here. Then we have to select the SQL admin and password here. Then we have to select confirm the password here. Then click on the subscription does not have access to create a server, or basically we have a already deployed in this region, so we have to create into a Canada Central. Okay, then we have to select this. You can see want to use SQL Elastic Pool. We can simply say yes, and you have to select what will be the Elastic Pool here. So I have not any Elastic Pool here. You have to create a pool. Then you will the SQL database dash Elastic sorry, the spell, it's Elastic Pool. Okay, then we have to select the Elastic Pool compute storage. Basically we have to configure. There are many plans, so you can select it. Basically in my previous video we have deeply explained what are the difference between vCore based purchasing model and DTU based purchasing model. So if you don't have watched that video, go and first watch that video, so what your basic concepts will be clear. Here we are want to deploy it on the vCore model general purpose. This one is like the most budget friendly. Here we'll be using the default 2 cores and the default max size of 32 GB. So you have to simply click on the apply, and we can create it. Then we have to go to the networking. We want to click I want to connect it via the public endpoint, so I will be selecting here the public endpoint. Then we have to select the Azure firewall roles. If you want to connect it via public service agent, any public service agent, via Azure Data Lake Studio, Azure SSMS and other etc. So you have to select this firewall to the yes. And then you can simply go to the security, and here you can enable the Microsoft Defender for your SQL. So as of now I am not using it, so you can select the existing data backup none. So I will be using the sample data here. where like the data will be provided by the Microsoft. Here you can add the tag values. I'll be adding the SQL database, and this one will be the Elastic Pool, and then we have to click on the review plus create. It will cost me $271 per month, and we want to simply create it. We have to wait some time. So our initializing deployment is going to be deployed. You have to wait some of the moment here. It can take up to like 5 to 10 minutes more. So once the main deployment is deployed, we can proceed our work too. We are back once again. So our deployment of the Elastic Pool is completed. Then we have to go to the resource here. uh, Basically you have to go to your subscription. First of all, I am going to my subscription. Here you can see here a new subscription resource group will be formed, and that will be the storage account SQL. No, sorry, this one is the SQL database. uh, Here you can see, yes, here you can see new database. Basically these are the old one. These two are the old database I have been using. The below three are the main three like resources we have just been deployed. So here you can see the one is our SQL database, and one is your SQL server, and the middle one is the main SQL Elastic Pool what we are looking for. And you can simply connect it through any of the servers. It doesn't matter what application you're using to connect it. I will using here like the I think I have the Azure. I will be using like that Azure Data Studio here. So you have to simply just open the Azure Data Studio, and to connect a new server you have to select a new connection here. Click on the new connection, and you have to enter a server name. So my server name is this, and I will have to put this, and this is my SQL admin. uh, I think we have to select this and put this and put the password here. The password will be the same which we have been set up. Click on the connect button, and wait for some time. Basically we have to wait. Firewalls, why to access the SQL server, click the link below. Okay. We have to add IP of our clients. So like our IP to connect it, we can simply add our IP into the network tab, and we can go to the network tab here, and has your IP is already been added. So this is my client IP. So yeah, you can simply add the client IP here. So you once you have been added your client IP, so you can simply click like add your and everything here. So then we have to close it, and we cancel it basically. Then we have to connect it again. So here we go, we have been connected successfully to the server. Here we can search out the things. Here this one is the master key folder. Here our all the but like schema is located, and basically we can go to the uh, we can run the everything we want to do. We have the table format here, so here you can connect easily Elastic Pools to your Elastic Pool server. If you want to see the Elastic Pool, you can see here SQL Elastic Pools. So here you can see this is our SQL Elastic Pools database. So yeah, that's all from today's video. Hopefully you like it. We have been successfully deployed and tested our Elastic Pool SQL database server. So if you want more clarity, like if you have any doubts, please comment down below, and I'll definitely reply to those confusions. And that's all. If you want, really like this video, then comment down your favorite part below. I will meet into you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.